ready for the animal sound challenge? Are you sure? Are you ready? Okay, so tell me what lion says. What tiger says. What snake says. What horse says. What monkey says. What cow says. What goat says. What sheep says. What crocodile says. What duck says. What frog says. What pig says. And what the another sound? Good job. What donkey says? What fish says? What dog says? What cat says? Oh, kitty says meow. Oh yes. What peacock says? What bird says? Can you please tell me what dinosaur says? What fox says? What owl says?